Hi, Soren. So now we have read your message and here it goes. Hi, Miss Hazel. I've always wanted to become a funeral director. Would you give me an advice how to start po? Here in the Philippines, lahat ng mga frontliners sa isang funeral home are called funeral director. Para mas maging effective ka na funeral director, kailangan mong pakinggan ang bawat pamilya na papasok sa funeral home kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. Kasi with that, malalaman mo, maiintindihan mo anong mga pangangailangan nila para more than just giving or assisting them dun sa procedure in the funeral home, pwede mo pa silang i-assist sa iba-ibang bagay na mararamdaman mong kailangan nila kasi nga nakinig ka sa kanila. So I'm going to give you a bonus. How to be a funeral event planner. Funeral event planner is entirely different from being a funeral director because a funeral director works in a funeral home. A funeral event planner is the link between the family, the hospital, the church, and the funeral home. Not to mention the celebration of life. Yun naman yung event part of funeral planning. So, funeral coordinator is like a wedding planner. Pero this time, you have to embrace the family. You have to give your empathy and understand yung needs lahat ng pamilya. Especially, kailangan mong bantayan yung primary objective mo. Ano ba yon? So, kung ang wedding ay yung bride at ang groom, in funeral event planning, yun yung body na nag-passed on. Thank you, Soren, naway nasagot ko or naibigay ko yung advice na kailangan mo. Kapag may kailangan pa tayo, please continue watching this vlog or this channel. And kapag may tanong, don't forget to comment. Please like and share. See you. Ako po si Angel Hazel with wings.